If you're wondering how to add client feedback to SuiteDash projects, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how you can streamline client feedback in your projects with this software, and also introduce some great alternatives that might better suit your needs. Let's dive right in. So, SuiteDash allows you to manage client feedback efficiently, but there are a few steps and features you need to know. The first thing you'll want to do is head to the project page. Once you're there, you'll notice that SuiteDash offers several ways to gather and incorporate feedback into your projects, but it's not always the most intuitive. Now, the second thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Task section within your project dashboard. Here, you can assign specific tasks to clients where they can leave comments or make suggestions. It's easy to track changes that way, but the comment sections can sometimes get messy if you're working with multiple clients. That's where the feedback system can feel a little overwhelming. Next thing, when clients submit their feedback, you'll notice that SuiteDash lets you attach files, which is great, but keep in mind that the system doesn't always display file names clearly. It can lead to some confusion about which file goes with which comment, especially if you're working with multiple files at once. Be prepared to double check what your client uploaded. The fourth thing is the client portal, which allows your clients to see progress and give feedback in real time. However, this portal can feel a bit clunky. You might find it not as smooth as other project management systems like Trello or ClickUp, which offer more seamless collaboration features and clearer feedback channels. If you're specifically looking for a super easy feedback integration, SuiteDash may not be the best choice for you. Now, the fifth thing, tracking feedback. When you receive feedback, SuiteDash helps you track comments, but it doesn't offer a real-time update feature. So, if you're waiting on client approval or feedback, you won't get instant notifications unless you're manually refreshing the page. That can lead to delays in your workflow. At this point, you might be thinking, this is a lot to manage, and you're right. That's why I want to bring up some other options. We've got some strong alternatives that are better suited for managing feedback on a project basis. Software like ClickUp and Asana offer streamlined and more robust feedback collection features with better integration of real-time client updates, comments, and file attachments. They're definitely worth considering if client feedback is a crucial part of your workflow. And here's the kicker. If you're interested in trying out SuiteDash or any of these alternatives, through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial that gives you access to more features than you would normally get. Plus, we've got some amazing deals for the alternatives I just mentioned, which are definitely more intuitive when it comes to feedback management. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. So, check out the link below to get the best deal on SuiteDash, along with these powerful alternatives to enhance your client feedback experience.